Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. As you can tell, I'm real tired. Just dropping at a place from Miami, Fort Lauderdale. Listen, as me and Brains were doing the morning thoughts video this morning, the news dropped about Father Capleton, right? And as you all know, it says that he has been charged for rape. Now, here's the thing. At first, I thought he was arrested and, not arrested, but I thought he was just held in questioning. I come to find out that a little bit more detail has been released concerning this case, and his lawyer is saying that police have the authority to make station bail, and not even that they haven't done. So in other words then, them hold on upon Capleton same way, right? Now, I don't want to start speculating on saying, after going through the details that have been released so far, because I tell you right now, people already have it out there saying things that don't even go so. So, the details that have been released so far led me so far to believe that it's an extortion thing. Capleton is scheduled to perform at Best of the Best in Miami, coming up shortly. Capleton is also one of those artists that never stops touring. Is not dancehall, reggae, that artist that never stops touring. So if you want to look at it like that, and has been in the business for a long time, and is a big deal overseas. So if you want to look at it like that, people can be preying him, and I say, yeah man, a whole heap of money him have. I want some of that. And start scheming on ways to get into his pockets. Now, the world is full of vipers and vultures. I want people to know, say, this woman, right? This woman that's accusing Father Capleton of rape. Capleton of 51. This woman that's accusing him of rape, she has a 19-year-old daughter. So, obviously, I don't know, teenager, right? You know, so one lady with a handicap sign, one old lady, I text and I drive. I almost run the side of my car. But anyways, it's not no teenager Capleton charged with rape for. Because somebody linked me and said, yo, SouFlo, I want to look a 19-year-old girl, Capleton, have a do him here in a hotel room. And now the girl, I said, him force her to have sex with him. That's not the story. The story is the lady that did his hair, I want big grown woman. She was trying to extort. This is from Capleton's side that has been released, information released by his attorney so far, was that Capleton actually had made a complaint before, 2 days prior, to the JCF, that there was a woman that was trying to extort money from him, right? And she'll make up stories to extort money from him. And then, of course, 2 days later, see that? He's arrested for the same thing that he lodged a complaint about. Now, people are going to say, SouFlo, you being wise. And you know how I do on SouFLoTV. Me look at things from many different angles, right? And I told you I didn't want to jump to conclusion because if there's a victim in this case, I don't want to victimize the victim. But at the same time, if she's late 30s, early 40s, or even in her 50s like Capleton himself, man rape you, just so, how did he force you?